To purchase a license key for the XLNavigator Excel date picker and calendar add-in, follow these steps. If your 7-day free trial has expired and you'd like to purchase a license, you can either visit your user portal or scroll down to the Get XLNavigator button under the pricing section. Clicking this will take you to a secure Stripe checkout page. Once your purchase is successful, you'll be redirected to your dashboard, assuming you're logged in. If you're not logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard where you'll find your purchased product. Your license key will be displayed on the dashboard. Just click on it to copy your key, and then head over to Excel to paste it in. You will also receive an email containing your license key for your records, so you don't have to log into your dashboard every time. Alternatively, if you're already logged into your user dashboard, you can find the Excel date picker and calendar add-in under the Available Products section. Clicking the Purchase button will take you directly to the Stripe checkout page. Looking ahead, more XLNavigator add-ins with additional functionality and features will be added to the Available Products section, so be sure to keep an eye out for new releases. And as a reminder, once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email with your license key, which you can save for future reference.